Good morning students. Today's topic is dishonor of bill. When the acceptor of the bill refuses to pay the amount of bill on the date of maturity or becomes insolvent, it is called dishonor of the bill. Whenever the payment of bill is not made on due date, at that time the dishonor of the bill happens. What will we do at that time? We should see here the accounting treatment in the four conditions. What are the four conditions? First condition is when the bill is at the seller. And the second condition is when the bill is discounted from the bank, and third condition is when the bill is endorsed to other person, and the fourth condition is when the bill is sent to bank for collection. Now we will see when the payment is not made on the due date, that is called maturity date, what the accounting treatment will be. Now we will see here condition number 1, when bill is at the seller and noting charges paid by seller. What entry? What does it mean? You are seeing here the word noting charges. Noting charges means legal expenses. Okay. The entry would be, suppose the name of the seller is A and the name of the purchaser is we will write here B debit means purchaser debit and 2 BR and 2 cash. Cash is for loading charges. Suppose the amount of bill is 1000 and the amount of legal expenses or noting charges is 10. So we will write here 1010 and in front of the BR the amount will come 1000 and noting charges would be 10. We will write here bill dishonored and noting charges paid by A. In this way, we will pass the entry in the books of A. On the other hand, we will see in the books of B what entry would be. Here we will write charges account debit. Noting charges account debit to A. Bill dishonored and noting charges paid. We will write here amount 1000, okay, 1000, 10,000 rupees for noting charges and the total will be 1010. In this way, the first condition, when the bill is not paid by purchaser, we will pass here the entry of bill dishonored. Okay, you can write down. Now we will see the second condition of dishonor. This condition will happen when the bill was discounted from the bank. When the bill was discounted from the bank and the rate of discount of the bill is given in your question. So we will pass the entry of discounting of the bill. What the entry I have told you? Cash account debit, discount account debit to BR. And after that, when the purchaser denies to give the payment to the bank, at that time the second condition of dishonor will happen. Now we will see the entry. When purchaser denies to give the payment to bank on due date and noting charges paid by bank. The entry would be B debit to bank. Bill dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. And in this condition, the amount of noting charges, that is legal expenses, will be added in the amount of bill. So we will write here 1010 and 1010. Rupees 10 will not be shown separately in the entry. It will be added in the amount of BR. Okay. And on the other hand, we will see the entry A debit, BP account debit, noting charges account debit to A. Bill dishonored and noting charges paid. Amount of bill is 1000, the amount of noting charges is 10 rupees. So the amount would be here 1010. Now you will see this entry will remain always same. The entry will be same. In the first condition, you have written this entry, and in the second condition, you will write the same entry. Okay, this entry in the side of purchaser will never be changed. In the fourth condition, first condition, third condition, in all conditions, the entry would be same. Okay.